Now, let us keep our spine erect, body relaxed, and turn our head to the right side, and then slowly turn your head to the left side also. These techniques are also used in namaz. And now let's keep turning our head left and right, slowly and consciously. Every move of our neck, let us be conscious. Move your neck from left to right and right to left, consciously synchronizing that with the breath. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, come to the left side. And left side, you breathe in and come to the right side. And from right to left, let us start breathing out. Synchronize your movement with the breath. And you will start feeling right away certain calmness and certain stability. Our shoulders are relaxed, spine is erect. We continue our neck movement, synchronizing that with the breath. Breathe in and move to one side, and as you breathe out, you move to the other side. We'll continue for one more minute. Breathe in. You may do it with your eyes closed if you wish, and move. You are rotating the head on the axis of your spine. Now keep your head in the center. Now let us put both our palms in front of our face, with about 6 inches, 8 inches distance between the face and the palm. This is called Avahan Mudra. Avahan Mudra means invoking, inviting the light into yourself, into your body. Now keeping your palms facing your face right in front of you. Now let us close our eyes. Close our eyes and feel the space between our face and our palms. Just let us become aware of the space in front of our face, up to the palms. Let's pay attention on our breath and keep our mind between our face and the palms. दोनों हथेली और चेहरे के बीच में महसूस करें अपना मन है, रोशनी है, ऊर्जा है. इस ऊर्जा का अनुभव करें. Become aware of your fingers. And become aware of the space behind your fingers. हथेली की दोनों तरफ जो जगह है, खाली जगह, वहाँ मन को रखें। हथेली के सामने और पीछे दोनों तरफ ऊर्जा का अनुभव करें। Become aware of the energy on both sides of your palm, back of your palm and on your palm. Let's keep a big smile and take deep breath in and breathe out. And gently bring your palms and place it on your lap. अपने गोद में रख लें अपने हथेली को, आंखें बंद रखें. Let's keep our eyes closed. Now become aware of your whole body. Your body is the most precious gift to you. Honor your own body. The billions and trillions of cells in your body, अरबों खरबों अणु परमाणुओं से बना है हमारा अपना शरीर. इस शरीर के प्रति मन ही मन सम्मान करें. You are a fountain of love. आप प्रेम के एक फवारे हो, ये सच है. एक और गहरी सांस लीजिए और सांस छोड़े, सारे तनाव को बाहर कर दें. Let us take a deep breath in, and as we breathe out, we let go of all the stress and tension that we have. Incoming breath energizes the body, outgoing breath brings relaxation. Let us relax even more. ढीला छोड़ दे, शरीर के कण कण को ढीला छोड़ दे. Relax every cell of your body. This moment, nothing to do and nothing to know either. इस वक्त केवल विश्राम करना है. विश्राम में हम खिलने लगते हैं. शरीर के कण कण को खिलने दीजिए, आप विश्राम कीजिए. As we start reposing and relaxing, we keep blossoming. You are surrounded by universal energy. You have the grace of God all around you and inside of you. ईश्वर की, खुदा की कृपा आपके ऊपर है. चारों ओर मेहर है, कृपा है. आप कृपा के सागर में बैठे हो, ऐसे मान के विश्राम करें. You are a fountain of love. आप स्वयं प्रेम के एक फवारे हो. अंतर्मुखी हो जाएं अभी इस वक्त। आंखें बंद करके विश्राम करें। जो भी विचार मन में आ रहे हो आने दें। विचार आते हैं और चले जाएंगे। लेट गो ऑफ ऑल द थॉट्स। Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just let them come. Good thoughts, bad thoughts, give a big hug to them all. And keep a big smile on your face. Never mind even if it's artificial. As you smile, all the muscles in your face experience relaxation. And let the smile spread to every cell of your brain. मस्तिष्क के एक एक कण को भी मुस्कुराने दीजिए। And let the back of the head also start smiling. मुस्कान को ऐसा मान लीजिए सिर के पीछे भी चला गया हो। Become aware of the whole body. Become aware of your whole body. अरबों खरबों अणु परमाणुओं से शरीर बना है। पूरा शरीर के प्रति सजग हो जाए और ऐसा महसूस करें जैसे शरीर के कण कण मुस्कुरा रहा हो। Another deep breath in and let go. Let us become aware of the walls of the room we are sitting. Our mind is subtler than water, finer than air. Like the air spreads and water flows, so does our mind can occupy the entire room. हमारा मन जो है वो जल से भी पतला है, तरल है, हवा से भी सूक्ष्म है, वो पूरे कमरे में फैल जाता है। सिर के ऊपर छत तक की दूरी का स्मरण करें। Become aware of the space up to the ceiling. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, relax even more. Just become aware of the space in your entire room. अपने कमरे में खाली जगह है, उसका स्मरण करें। Let the mind expand more and more and more. Let go of all your efforts. Don't try to expand, just relax. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें, विश्राम करें। विश्राम में मन टलने लगता है। विश्राम में ही आनंद है। कहीं कोई तनाव लग रहा हो, उसको वैसे रहने दीजिए। If you feel any stiffness, any restlessness anywhere in the body or mind, just let it be. Embrace it and accept it. Breathe in and down. Let the smile spread to your whole body slowly and gradually, as though every cell of your body is smiling, relaxing, and blossoming. शरीर के कण कण में मुस्कान को उतरने दें। शरीर के एक एक कण को खिलने दें। आप विश्राम करें। इस वक्त जानने के लिए भी कुछ नहीं है, न करने के लिए कुछ है। दिस मोमेंट there is nothing to do and nothing to know either. Simply relax and repose in yourself. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Notice your body is still, Your breath is harmonious, very even. Your mind is becoming quieter and quieter. Let go of all your efforts. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दे. And slowly and gradually become aware of body and surroundings. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, you may open your eyes. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते गहरी सांस लीजिए और सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हो.